Sunil Ramakrishna, this is based in the next level order the language. So one person told that, "Arey yaar, Sunil basically, the person basically in that building, basically the Vadodara basically in Vadodara one building basically one person was staying. His actually head got break basically. Head got means he basically got head chakkar basically. Then he told that, are you sure basically? Then doctor basically, it was a doctor group basically, they know everything. So they told that basically when this chakkar came basically. Then he told that basically the chakkar basically came on this date basically, at this time basically. So they basically found the data basically from the nuclear power company basically, because doctors are directly connected with the nuclear power company basically. So they basically taken the data basically of that building basically, that is the 25 floor building, and they tracked each and everything basically, because that was connected with the nuclear power energy basically, and they tracked it basically. They told that basically there was one mobile device basically. Due to that mobile device basically, his head basically got, in that mobile device basically there was one application basically, mobile application. Due to that mobile application which was developed in Android or Apple basically, due to that basically he got head damage basically. So one of the person told that, yaar, lots of people says that the Apple तो बहुत कमा रहा है, Samsung basically groups are earning lots of money, then the Nokia basically groups are earning lots of money, but see the things basically which is getting used basically. So one person told that the mobile company basically whose mobile was used, that was tracked basically by the company only basically. That was not tracked basically. So one of the person told that was not tracked. So that is basically one of the small things basically. So one of the person told that how basically things are getting tracked here basically. How the things are basically getting tracked. So one person told that means basically that head was damaged by the software group basically, you want to say. Yes, 100% that was damaged by the software industry only basically. So here one person told that what actually was the problem basically due to his head basically got break. So next you can see.